Hello everyone, welcome back to this new tutorial. So this tutorial I am going to show you how you can give form name. So like when you get to go to settings dashboard, then in that settings dashboard you will get to see forms, like a list of forms that you have used. So there you will get to see which form you are using, which form you want to open to see the database or a list or a database which people have submitted in the form of information to the form. So I will show you to add a form. Click on this and add the contacts. Click. We'll just add this form for now. I will just align it to right, or just this ruler. I need to align it to. So now just click on form settings. Okay. So click on this and click on settings. So here you can see this is the name of the form. So what we'll give this is contact us from. So I think that's enough. You can also view the submission table. So see, this is what I was talking about. This is the format submissions. This is the dashboard. So here you will get to easily see the contact us form, the name here. Okay. I hope you got it. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more such upcoming videos. Thank you so much, guys.